When you first get your PoE Work Light, it's going to come like this. Just separate the LED strip part from the power supply carefully. Then separate the two strips, the two plastic strips. Put them together like so. And then carefully just slide the LED strip into the end. If it gets stuck, it's probably going to bind right there. That's where you want to put your finger to make sure that it goes into the track smoothly. Okay, once you get it together like that, you can lift this part and put it in there. And ta-da! Now you've assembled your entire strip. All you need to do, plug PoE power into the input side, and you have light.